Responders from across the nation are stepping up to help in Florida.
Yeah, 5 News reporter Jose Carranza shows us how local organizations are already in Florida helping crews prepare for the storm and keep an eye out for disaster.
At the Sheepdog Impact Assistance National Office in Rogers, responders are working tirelessly preparing for Hurricane Ian, monitoring just how serious the disaster could be.
And depending on the damage and the need is typically the type of volunteer response that we'll see. So having 100 people already show interest just from our local area in wanting to support our efforts shows that people are tracking and are aware of the potential devastation from this storm.
Already, Sheepdog's Eastern Florida chapter in Tampa has been preparing for what's to come.
They will be our best resource for letting us know the greatest need and unfortunately just how severe things might be. They'll also be the ones that tell us it's not that bad and wave us off if necessary.
But for now, they'll just wait and see, ready for anything.
We're familiar with chaos based on the very nature of who we are, based on our membership, again, veterans and first responders. So that experience in itself has elevated us as an organization because we're made up of men and women who have that pre-existing training.
The Red Cross in Northwest Arkansas is also preparing, with 25 already on the ground in Florida and 40 ready for the call.
So we're getting as many people as we can to go down to do the initial mass care response once the hurricane hits. So we're looking for the people who are able to go down for sheltering, for feeding, distribution of emergency supplies, and essentially just have them shelter in place until the storm passes. You have to prepare for the worst and hope that the worst doesn't happen. But if it does, we're prepared for it.
In Rogers, covering news where you live, Jose Carranza, 5 News.
All right, again, here's a look at